Choose your plan and click on the Purchase Now button. Next, input your email ID, check the box, and hit Continue. You will be prompted to enter your payment credentials to complete the checkout. Input your credentials and complete the checkout process. Once the transaction is complete, you will be redirected to the order completion page. Click on the Go to My Account button to explore your detailed information. You will receive your unique license key, which you can copy with a single click. You'll also find your product ID there. Now, let's check the email. You will receive 3 different emails from us. The first one is about your account creation on our website. The second email is the new customer order email, detailing your purchase information. The third email is a receipt from Pixar Labs, our parent company registered on Paddle. Let's navigate to the installation and activation part of our plugin. Click the download button from the order details. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, then to Plugins and Add New Plugin. Click on Upload Plugin. Inside the Choose File option, drag and drop the zip file of your plugin or simply upload it. Then, click on the Install Now button. Within a few seconds, the plugin will be installed successfully. Click on the Activate Plugin button. Now the plugin is activated and you are just one step away. Tap on the Click Here link to activate your license key for our plugin. Input the license key from your order details page. Then do the same for the product ID. Finally, click on the Activate License button. Within seconds, you will see a notice stating WP Spotlight activated, along with your remaining activations. Once the license activation is complete, you will see instructions to open Spotlight, which is Option plus S for Mac and Alt plus S for Windows. To close Spotlight, press the Escape button. Click on the Next button to see a simple guideline on post types. Upon clicking the Finish button, you will see our Custom Key Bindings option. Here you can define any preferred custom key as your WordPress Dashboard shortcut. For example, I am inputting Alt plus space to open Spotlight. Click outside the Key Bindings option to save it automatically. Now, I am pressing Alt plus space on my keyboard and Spotlight opens. Feel free to navigate our options to supercharge your dashboard workflow. If you face any issues, feel free to get in touch via our contact page.